gonna go get a torch.
His last words.
What?
His last words.
And I'm stuck in here now. That's a good blooper. Oh. Alright, so I'm gonna get these doors off real quick. This one is like jammed shut or something's broken in it. I can't open it from the inside or the outside. So I don't know much about how these work, but I'm gonna try pulling these pins and see if we can kind of get it to swing out a little bit to get it to unlatch and hopefully get it off. Knowing nothing about these doors, we'll see if that works. Alright, so that is off. I'm gonna go open the window so I can grab. Oops, that's not the door. Would you look at that? That worked. Pretty rare that things work on the first try. Alright, so we're on the outside of the plane here. This pin is quite stuck, so I'm going to just use a little bit of Freeall. This stuff works really good for us at the shop. We'll get that soaking. Just kind of looking at the door here, we got a pin here. The other side had 2 pins, but this door here actually has like a fixed kind of rivet style, I don't know what these are called, just a pin that's not going to be removable. It's got Phillips here that don't look all that fun to get off, so depending on if that strips out, we will be drilling. So we'll put some Freeall just to maybe try to break some stuff up, but no promises. So. Okay, so those 2 Phillips screws over there, we want to verify that there's not nuts on the other side, like nuts, plates, or whatever's over there. So on the interior over here, which I'll have Tyler can show you, I just pulled this carpet plastic piece out from right here. It's a little hard to see just because of the light in there. Let me get my flashlight out for you. So that's where that carpet plastic piece goes. So the door hinge is going to be right behind this plastic piece here, which is broken, but I don't want to break it more. So I don't know how much you guys can see. I'm going to get in there and kind of look. You'll be able to see my butt. That's fine. They are nut plates.
What?
They're nut plates. Let me see the camera. I'll show them. So, there's nut plates for the door hinge. So we'll go see if they'll come undone. And I'm stuck in here now. That's a good blooper. Oh. I'm gonna go get a torch.
His last words.
What?
His last words. Don't ruin our plane.
Yeah, I would hate to ruin the paint on this beautifully patinaed plane. Look at all that great paint.
It is pretty pristine.
You got a screwdriver with a bigger handle. Here, why don't you give me this shot? Good. Mechanic over here. Let's see what kind of hand strength Tyler's got here.
It's no good.
I think it's time we drill.
So Brian already showed you the doors on the brown 150. Now I'm going to show you the hinges on this white 150, and you can tell the difference. The screws, or the hinges, are held on by screws. They're not held on by those removable pins. So we'll have to actually get the screws out on all of these ones. You can see there, just screws, no removable pin, no removable pin. Thankfully the screws on these ones are not as rusted. They should come out pretty easy, and our doors should be free. Let's go check out the other side. A little bit of rust, but not too bad. Feeling lazy. That's how it's done.